Why an oboe reed loses air? Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel MusicBayside Oboe. I'm Nuria Cabezas, oboe teacher at the Conservatory of Music of Murcia in Spain, and today I've prepared a video with which we will learn some aspects about why may oboe reeds lose air, consequences, and how we can fix it. Reasons why an oboe reed may lose air. Reason number 1. The tying of the reed has been done incorrectly. If the twists of the thread are not consecutive and there are spaces between them, the reed may lose air through the holes left. If at the end of the tying process the intersection between the wood and the staple is open, the reed will lose air or may even not produce any sound. Reason number 2. The shape of the cane is asymmetric. When overlapping both ends, we can see they don't match exactly. This usually happens when we do the shaping manually with an old machine. The result may not be 100% symmetrical. Reason number 3. The reed has cracks in the wood. In order to check it, we cover the whole of the staple with one finger and absorb the air contained inside of the reed to make compression. If both pieces of wood stick against each other for a few seconds, it will be fine. If, on contrary, the fact doesn't happen, it may be because the wood has cracked at some point. Another way of checking would be to cover the whole of the staple with a finger and blow through the reed normally. If we hear that the reed loses air, we can find the exact point. Reason number 4. The two pieces of wood are overlapped. Normally, this fact is due to incorrect tying. In this case, the reed sometimes works and sometimes not. They are usually unstable reeds which can't be trusted since they can stop working while we are playing without prior notice. If during the time when we change the direction of the trance, we do it on the side of the reed instead of on the front or back, it will cause one of the sides to move over another. This is because that last round of thread makes an equal pressure on one side respect to the other. Reason number 5. The reed loses air due to use. The used reeds may become overlapped ones because of the pressure exposure on them with the musculature of the embouchure while we play. On other occasions, the reed may get more closed with use. Consequences of the fact that the oboe reed loses air. Number 1. Problems on the emission of the high register. Number 2. Sudden changes in the emission response of the reed. Number 3. Problems of tuning with a specific reed and not with others. Number 4. Excessive tiredness when playing, since some of the expelled air doesn't reach the instrument and it's lost along the way. It may also sound air while we play. Number 5. Problems with the vibration of the reed and the production of the sound. The reed may stop vibrating and producing sound because of no apparent reason at any time. Solutions that we can apply if the oboe reed loses air. Number 1. To retie the oboe reed. Number 2. To use fish paper, transparent film or wire to avoid losing air. Number 3. To check out our oboe shaping machine or discard a symmetrically shaped cane before starting the tying process. Number 4. To review our tying technique and possible failures during the process. Number 5. To use nail polish to cover the crack if it's outside the scraping area. Number 6. If the reed is overlapped, a possible solution would be to introduce one side into the other. If you want to learn more aspects related to the oboe and English horn reeds, I leave you here some links with more related videos. I hope you find these tips useful. Share your impressions with the hashtag MusicBayside Oboe on social networks. You can find more information about the MusicBayside Oboe project on the website of musicbayside.com and on the social networks of Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to receive all the weekly notifications with the new videos. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.
Welcome to the MusicBayside community. On the website of MusicBayside, musicbayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel Music Bayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in Music Bayside and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.